How to fix Bus Simulator Ultimate Google Play login problem. So what we're gonna do first is check for updates. So head over to the Play Store, make sure you go to the Bus Simulator Ultimate, click on it, and if you see a button that says update, make sure you update the app. The second thing that you can do is clear the app cache. So head over to the settings, like that, then go to apps, find Bus Simulator, then let's go to the storage and make sure you clear the data and clear the cache. And now try to log in. If that doesn't work, make sure you sign in to Google Play Games. So let's go to the Play Store. And there you go, Google Play Games. Make sure you install this, make sure you open this, and now log into Google Play Games with the same account. What you're gonna do after you do that, you're gonna go to Library, and you're gonna start playing Bus Simulator through Google Play Games, just like this. And now it should be able to log you in. And as you can see, it logged in by itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.